my channel, and as I promised in my last video that this week I'm going to recommend you something about crime thriller, and this time it's not only just going to be crime thriller, it would be a combination of crime thriller, suspense, mystery, sci-fi, obviously the science fiction. And trust me when I say this drama will literally blow your mind. Like you would be like, God, how can this happen? Like how could the plot can kicks in certain twists and how this could happen in such a way. It is actually so amazing. So the name of the drama which I will recommending for this week is the K-drama Mouse, and this drama is literally such an amazing drama that while it was ongoing at its time like I'm not saying it's like years ago or something, it's a very recent drama, like it's a drama which has been released on March 3, 2021, and it has telecasted its last episode in May 2021. So it's such an amazing drama that when it was was on air at that time, it was ranked as TVN's fifth. It was ranked as the fifth drama which gained most number of popularities of on Wednesday and Thursday's drama on TVN's, and this drama is such an amazing piece of art. I would rather say it's a masterpiece. Now, as I was saying that it's a masterpiece, so let's go. Let's talk about those creative people who are behind those amazing creations. So the drama is written by Choi Ran and directed by Choi Jun Bae and Kang Chae Wol. This drama is, starring Lee Seung-gi as Jong Baram, Lee Hyo-jun as Go Mushi, Park Jo-hyun as Oh Bong-gi, Kyung Soo-jin as Choi Hong-ju, Ahn Jae-wook as Dr. Han Se-joon. Before talking about this drama, let me say you a very basic piece of information that this drama, as it is a science fiction, it's a crime thriller. So with each and every moment being passed at the episodes, in each and every episode, there's a certain mystery which unfolds, right? So if I'm gonna tell you the whole complete story and plot about everything, then you guys won't be getting that much of interest. And trust me when I say that I know how it feels when you get spoilers before watching the drama, because there was a time when I was actually watching a particular drama and I got to know the spoilers through a reel, and I was like, what the hell happened? I totally completely lost my interest, and I literally went and stopped watching this drama. Like I started with something else. So I know how it feels when you get spoilers. That's why I won't be giving you guys any spoilers, but yeah, I will be giving you the basic highlights which would actually intrigue you guys, because I want you guys to experience and watch this drama, because this is so amazing. You guys must watch it. So this drama basically fantasizes a scenario that what it feels if the psychopaths can actually experience or feel those emotions of guilt and remorse for their action. You got it right. This drama is about psychopaths, sociopaths, and the way they behave, the way they feel things. And when we say psychopaths, we all, have these things which we feel and which we tend to remember. The psychopaths don't feel any emotions, right? So how could they feel guilt for their actions? So yeah, that's what this drama is about. It fantasizes like what it feels if psychopaths could actually, feel remorse and guilt for their actions. This drama also picturizes one very scientific aspect. Obviously, it's a fictional aspect, that what it would be like if the science could actually interpret that the child, that the fetus in the womb of their mother has the genes of those of a psychopath or a genius. Because in this drama, as you can see, that Ahn Jae-wook is playing the role of Dr. Han So-joon. This person is basically tend to be, convicted as a psychopath in the very first episode, and at that time his son was, his wife was pregnant with their son. So that's why people were so much, afraid that what it might be if his son also turned out like him. But it's not always necessary that a psychopath son will also be a psychopath, a psychopath child will also be a psychopath like them. They could also be like normal human beings. But people never understood it like that. They always, doubted that if this person is the son of the psychopath, then he also must be like his father only. So his son was turned out to be Dr. Sung Yo Han, who is basically the youngest neurosurgeon, and he was actually a genius. He was a genius and gem of a person. But whenever people get to know that he's a son of Dr. Han Soo-jun, everyone's like, okay, if he's a son, then he must be like that. But no, it's John Byram, who is basically a rookie police officer, and his life completely turns upside down when he was encountered with the psychopathic serial killings, and he was like, how to find that who this person is, how to find that who the serial killer is, because his life was completely turned upside down when he was actually encountered with such serial killings. And that's why he, along with the senior police officer at work, Go Mu-chi, both decided to set on a chase for the serial killer and catch this psychopath. And Go Mu-chi was so engrossed and so committed to this work to actually find a psychopath, because he was also a victim of Dr. Han Soo-jun. And after so many years, when he again witnessed such serial killing processes which were done by Dr. Han Soo-jun only, he was terrified that how could the same processes being repeated again with an advanced version. So that's why he was very determined to catch a psychopath. So that's how this whole drama will roll on, with being various serial killings being witnessed, and the procedures they followed, and how the both of these officers with great partnership are on the chase to catch the actual psychopath. So yeah, this drama is all about this. But yeah, I know I haven't said you a lot, and I can't say you a lot, because if I have to tell you one piece of information, that would completely be like a complete disaster, because you guys will go, okay, we already got to know what it's about. And as you know, mysteries and suspense thrillers should always be like, you should only just give a hint. It's not only about the complete story you should tell. But yeah, one piece of information which I will be giving you guys, and that's, as I was telling about this complete plot and everything, Dr. Han Soo-jun was so very confident that his son would also turn like him, and he will be super proud about him. That's how he is. Even if he is behind the bars, he's super proud about the fact that his son would be like that. But Dr. Sung Yo Han was a superb and a complete genius. Now there's the thing, the people can't easily distinguish, like from a science fictional point of view in the drama itself, that people can't easily distinguish the gene of a genius from that of a psychopath. Like the psychopathic gene and the genius gene look similar. That's what the thing. That's what the thing is about. That Sung Yo Han was a genius. Like everyone saw him as a genius. Now, is he the real psychopath? That's not the question. Is he the real son? Is he the actual son of the psychopath Dr. Han Soo-jun? That's the question. I won't be giving you any more hints. You guys must go and watch the drama. I had already provided the link in the description. Please do watch and let me know how you guys felt, how you guys, how you guys felt, like your mind blown out, like, oh god, because I know your reaction would be like, oh god, how this could be, oh damn, it's like a complete a complete twist kicks in. It's like with each and every, it's not only like with each episode they would be unfolding mysteries, it's more like the moment you will be unfolding the mysteries, with each moment of one particular episode another mystery will be opening. So it's like that. There are millions and millions of mysteries in the dramas, and with each mysteries being unfolded, new mysteries would be encountered. So be ready for that, guys. And but trust me when I say this, while you will be watching it, you will definitely enjoy, because this was my first crime thriller K-drama, and when I watched it I was like, okay, this is how K-drama crime thrillers are gonna be. All hail to K-drama industry, I'm all in. So it's an amazing drama. Do watch it, and do let me know in the comment section how you love the drama. If you like my recommendation sessions, then do like my video, and please share my video to your K-dramatic friends, or those friends whom you think that you could gossip about these things and they should start watching the drama. They should also get the taste of this K-dramas. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and watch my previous videos and do give your feedback. And yeah, that's all for today's recommending session, and stay healthy.